Welcome to video 3 of the 2026 bootcamp, and this will be on setting up our MT5 and connecting it with our broker. First of all, we're going to start with the broker. So I personally recommend FX Pro. If you go to the Telegram channel, you're going to see the link on the bio. You're going to see this recommended broker on the bio. So this is the link we'll be using. On the YouTube video you're watching, it will be in the description. So you can just tap on the link as I'll be doing here. Tap on the link and then you go over. It will bring you to this browser. To bring you to this, what we are seeing on our screen here. You tap on register because we want to register. So tap on register and then you fill your country of residence. If you're in Nigeria, as I am, tap on Nigeria. So the next one will be your email. You put in your email and then you create a password. Now, when creating password, please always pay attention to this prompt. Your password must have at least one lowercase. That's capital letter and small letter. This lowercase letter is the small letter. Let's say you want to use code as your password. There must be a small letter, either G, small letter G, or small letter O, or small letter L, or small letter D. There must be at least one. And also uppercase is capital letter. There must be at least one uppercase. Maybe you put the G in capital letter and then the rest of the letter, you leave it in small letter, it goes. Or you put the G in small letter and the rest of the letter, you put it in uppercase in capital letter, it goes. Then you must put number. There should be one number. There, at least one number. You can use more than one, yeah? But there should be at least one. Once you see at least, that's at least one should appear. It can be more than one, but at least one should be there. Then the character should be minimum of 8. That means you can't even use code because code is 4-letter words. Yeah. You have to add something else to make it 8. It should be minimum of 8 characters. Then the password should not contain any space. Of course, you shouldn't leave any space on it. Alright. So let me quickly create this. So I have created mine now. The next thing I will tap is to register. So it has brought me to the next page where you will fill your name. I'm using my Web3 name for this so that I can show you guys how it's done. And then you fix your date of birth. Whatever your date of birth is, just fix it. I'm just picking random date of birth. Then you can put your number. Let me get the number to use. So I have input a number and then I'll tap on complete registration. So I forgot to show you, when you're inputting the number, you know there's already +234 there. So don't go and put 080, 070. Just start from 70 or 80. Do you get? So that you don't get confused. So right here we can see registration is successful. You have been referred, blah, blah, blah. We can close this up. We only want to know that registration is successful. And so you can see this right here is your real account. To activate it, you will have to fund. To fund, just click on this fund. So it will bring you to this area. If you are in Nigeria, you can pay through these local banks. You can pay through your Kuda, your UBA, your FCMB. You can pay here. Or you can use your debit card. Yeah, you can use your debit card. Or if you have the money in your wallet, you can use your your USDT. There are options for everybody here. If you want to transfer from your bank, just tap on it and then tap on continue. Then see the minimum. You can see here the minimum transfer is 5,000 and the maximum transfer is 1 million, is 10 million. Do you get? So make sure that whatever you're transferring is at least 5,000. So you input the amount you want to transfer, say 20,000, say 15,000. You input it here and then you fund. Do you understand? I don't want to fund right now, but I just want to make sure. And now the good thing about this broker is that as long as you've created your account here, if you fund your account, as long as you create your account using that link, if you fund your account, you're going to get 100% bonus. Let's say you fund $100 here, you're going to get $100 bonus, up to $1,000 bonus. Like, what I mean is that if you fund 100, it's not like welcome bonus, so you don't have to wait until you fund all the money at once. If you fund $100 now, yeah, you get $100 bonus. If tomorrow you decide to fund $200, you still get $200 bonus until you have maxed out $1,000. Yeah, until you've maxed out $1,000. You can be funding $50 until it gets to this $1,000. You will still get your bonus. Do you get? That's the deal I have with the broker, because I want to give my people, because I know gold can be frustrating. So you don't need to do anything to get the bonus. All you need to do is create the account. If you have not created, this is not your first time creating the account, then you should reach out to me. But if this is your first time creating your account, then you will not have any. You should just create the account. As long as you use that link, the bonus is automatically added to your real account. This account, now you have to do is fund the account and then you will get the bonus. Do you get? And if you are starting out, like I told you, start with demo. You can come to this demo, create a demo account, but don't expect you are not getting bonus for a demo account now. You can create your demo account, put 10,000 there, whatever you want to use. Put it there to test what I will be teaching you guys before you go to your real account. Now, how do we connect our real account with MT5? Now, to connect our real account with MT5, we're going to be using this account information here, yeah? But first, let's go and download our MT5. Alright, so this, if you're using an Android, you go to your Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you go to your App Store. Yeah, so I will search for MT5 here. MT5 search. So this right here is our MT5. Yeah. So I'm going to be updating. Mine needs update. Yours we ask you to install. So you install it. So once you're done downloading, just tap on open and then accept and then open an account. Yeah, but this is like if you want to open a demo account. So since we are not opening a demo account there, now this is the interface of MT5. On your mobile phone, it probably will be a little bit different. Yeah, I'm using my tab. But yeah, this is basically it. On this downside, this is where you see your charts, you see the quotes, which is the pairs you're trading, you see your charts, you see where this is where you check your trades, this is the history, all the trades you've taken, all this, you check your news, whatever. Though I barely use it. And then these are your accounts, and this is the setting the settings you need. So right now, I want to connect our broker to our MT5. Where do we go? We can go to account. You see this plus icon right here under account. Yeah, that's where we want to add our account. So we tap on it. And then it's giving us this broker, but we're not using MT quote broker. So we're going to be looking for FX Pro. Now, this FX Pro is what we're using, not EX FX Pro. We're going to be using this FX Pro. Yeah? So we tap on this. So we're not creating a demo account. We are going to be logging in, because even if we want to use a demo account, we're going to use demo accounts from our FX Pro. So we're going to be logging it in. Now what we'll do is we'll go back to our FS Pro, tap on this account information because we need to get the login detail. Okay, now we can see that this is our account number. Yeah, this is our account number. The number we'll be using to log in. But now you can see that this thing is telling us that it has not been activated. So for this example, do you know what we'll do? It has not been activated because it has not been funded. You need to fund the account to activate it. So for this example, let's create a demo account so that we can use it to log in here. So we tap on create a demo account, continue, and then initial balance 10,000 is okay if you want 100,000, but I feel like 10,000 is more than okay. So you tap on create your demo account. You see how fast it is. Your demo account has been created. Now this is the account that we're going to be using to trade. Now, to connect our MT5, you tap on this 3 dot. I hope you guys are seeing. It's on this 3 dot that I tapped to get account information. Yeah, you tap on it, you get the account information. You see that the status on this one is active because it's demo. The funds are already there. Do you understand? So that's why it is active. So in this place now, you can see this same thing will be what you will see on your normal MT5. You see the password. It's asking you to update. Without updating that password, you will not be able to log in to connect it to your MT5 trader. So first of all, update the password. Just tap on it and put any password of your choice. But remember these rules again. All these rules, make sure that you follow them. It must have a lowercase. It must have one capital letter. This one is one small letter. It must have a number from 1 to 10. It must have, this one now must have special character. Special character like @ hashtag, $, %, and all those special characters. See them listed here. You can see them by the side there. You must add one special character to your password. And then your password must be at least 8 characters and maximum of 16 characters in length. So don't go and put Olori Fowogo or Ogunsoya, like join all the names together. It's not more than 16. No, don't use long names that are more than 16. All the names or whatever you are using should be within 8 and 16. Yeah. And please also use what you remember. So let me create one here. I hope I remember it. Okay, so I said let me create this password with you guys, yeah? Let's say now I want to use Stylish Babes. It's a name I'm seeing now. Let's say I want to use Stylish Babes, yeah? Now, if I type that, I want this to be visible, yeah? So if I type that Stylish, this is Stylish Babes. So that you guys understand what I'm saying. It's correct, yeah? Yeah. So now this is the Stylish Babes. You can see that only this guy and this guy was checked. Why? The character is within 8 to 16 characters length, and then it has lower characters, that's small letters, yeah? There is no capital letter here now. So what do I do? Since I need one capital letter, I can as well come to this first X, yeah, and change it to capital letter, yeah? And then I can as well add one number here. Stylish Babe 01 or Stylish Babe 1. Do you get? Then special character. Let me remove 01. Let me use 1. Then special character. Okay, instead of Stylish Babe 1, I can do Stylish Babe _1. Okay, that's not considered a special character. Let me see hyphen. Okay, that's not considered also. Alright, then let's use Stylish Babe 1. Stylish Babe @1. Yes. So @ is the special character here. So Stylish Babe @1. Did you see how I worked together to make sure that all these boxes was checked? so that you don't get issues. Hope I remember this password, stylish babes at 1. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's go. Let's set the password, and then we'll now go over. Now, another thing you should pay attention to is, you see this server, we'll be needing it. Now, because we're using demo, this is FX Pro demo. That's what we're going to be using. But your main account, it will not be demo. Let's go to MT5. So, you see, on your main account is going to be FX. So, on your main account is going to be either FX Pro MT5, FX Pro Live 02, FX Pro Live 03. But because we are using demo for this example, this is going to be FX Pro MT5 demo, yeah? And now to log in, we are going to use this, where is it? This account, this number here. That's what we are going to use to log in. So what's the number? 5912 5912 69096. Six 69096. Am I correct? 69096. 69016. And then that password, stylish babes at 1. Maybe? Think so. Then we'll tap on login. Alright, so I had to stop recording with my tab because I felt like the interface was very confusing for you guys. So I'm going to try to use my phone here. So this is where you get all your pairs. This is where you get all your pairs. You can see gold, euro, USD, and all that. If you want to, let's say you want to remove any of the pairs, you can tap on it to delete it, and then tap on this delete icon to delete it. And then if anyone you want to add, let's say you want to add, just search for it. And then let's say you want to search, is that euro USD there? Okay, there is euro USD. Once you search for it, you can mark it here like this euro GBP. As I've marked it euro GBP, as I've marked it, it will automatically be added here. And if I want to delete it, I can slide to the left and tap on delete. Tap on delete here. Then we have the charts. This is where you check your trades. Oh, okay. How is it going? Don't analyze here. I've said it several. Don't analyze here. And then for fast way of placing your buy limit, you can use this guy here. This guy. That's why I don't want to use my phone because there is no to show you what I'm actually doing. Let me use this guy. Okay. This guy here, this first option here. That's your buy limit. Yeah. You can use it to place buy limit and then adjust it accordingly. Then here is for instant buy. You can change the lot size. I'll teach you what lot size is and what lot size is not. You can change the lot size to 0.01 and then you can place on buy. Yeah, you can place buy and that and that. Now, to trade, I don't have any funds here. I didn't use the FS Pro because I logged in on my tab. I didn't want to start logging in here again. But if you want to take a trade, you can click on this plus icon up here. Yeah, I hope you can see this plus icon. And then we have market execution, we have buy limit, we have sell limit, we have buy stop, we have sell stop, we have buy stop limit and sell stop limit. Now, this buy instant execution is that we want to buy it at the current price. We want to enter the market now. That's the market execution. The buy limit is like, okay, we have a place where we want price to pull back to, and then we can join the buy. Yeah, then we can join the buy. That is buy limit. Then sell limit is, okay, price has gone so low. We want it to come up a bit for us to join the sell. So we set a limit there. Buy stop is like we're waiting for price. Price is buying, but maybe there is a little resistance that we expect that might push it down. But if it is able to break above that resistance, then it should tag us in and we should buy along with it. That's the buy stop. Then the sell stop is like, okay, there's also maybe a support that is stopping price from going lower. So we will set our sell stop below that support so that if price breaks it, it can tag us in and then we go down with it. And on my order that I created, this limit order. Now you can see that this has buy limit here. This has buy limit on it. So I'm going to be using this entry to teach you guys how to do it. So here, you will come and you will change it to buy limit. Why? Because the limit order here is buy limit. So you see your entry, this entry price, 5152. Of course, you would have calculated your lot size. Let's say I want to use 0.1. You would have calculated your lot size. I will teach you that. 5 what? The entry price is 5152. 5152.513. At times, you cannot take the third letter, but as long as the third letter is not up to 5, if it's up to 5, we approximate this 1 to 2. But if it's not up to 5, we can just leave it as 5-1. Then the stop loss is 5126. 5126.473.47. The 3 is now up to 5, so we'll just leave it like that. Then take profit is 5257. Take profit is 5257 point what? 0.351. 0.351. So we'll place the order. You see, our buy limit order has been placed here. It has been placed, although it will not trigger because there's no money in this account here. It will not trigger. So that is how you place your trade. If it's also a sell limit, all you have to do is click on this plus icon, change it to sell limit, then calculate your lot size and also input the entries. It all apply. And if I say, oh, let's buy no, market execution, as simple as it gets, and you can monitor your trade how it's going over here. Remember also, instant execution you can use here to buy, you can use here to sell, like these guys here. You can off and on it. It's better you off it because if you have money and you mistakenly touch it, even if you don't mean to buy, it's not responding now because there's no money here. If there's money, all this buy down tapping. Let's say you are just dragging your chart and you mistakenly tap it, it will buy. Do you get? So it's best you off it. I always leave it off. And then this is for limit. Now this is a new interface that MT5 did here. It's also the same thing. You see your market execution, you see your buy limit, you see your sell limit. So for the buy limit, this is also this volume that you're seeing here is the lot size. Yeah. What you do is just change it to maybe 0.1 that you want to use. This is why I even used my phone because this interface was not showing on the tab. And I wanted you guys to be aware of this interface. So this will be the entry price. Let's say the entry price that we took, 5152. I won't add the points just to make this video short. So 5152. Okay. 51. Let me just add it. 0.513. You see that this one added the 3, but once you leave there, let's say I add this, you will see that it will automatically remove the 3. So you now click on that add price levels. Do you get? Once you click on add stop levels, did you guys see it? So let's take this again. Let me go out from here. So let me take this again. Just all you need to do is tap here and then tap on trade. It brings out that interface. I really don't like this interface, but right now we don't have a choice. Our lot size is still the same. So we are going to change this to 5152.513. Now you see these stop levels, add stop levels. Those stop levels are your take profit and your stop loss. So we have to add them. Let's say our take profit is 53 and our stop loss is 5-1. Let's use this. 5126. 5126.473. Yeah. So let us leave the take profit the way it is, and then you can tap on the place order. Yeah. So these are the two ways of placing your order, both your buy order, your sell order. You see, our order has been placed. Now, if you zoom in, let me change this to 1 hour. You can see the two orders that was placed. This was the first one. Okay, the two entries are the same, but you see the TPs are different. That's why I kept the TPs different, so that you know it's two order. This one TP is at 5257. This one's TP is at 53. Yeah. And if you go to trade, you are going to see the both of them. Do you see? And now one thing about this is if you tap the SL, you can see the amount you're going to lose, and you can see the amount you're going to make. You get right here. You can see the amount we're going to make, and you can see the amount you will lose if price hits your SL. If you check this TP, you can see the amount you are going to make and the SL too you are going to lose. This SL is amount you will lose. This TP is amount you make. So MT5 interface is actually nice, aside from this update that they did. Do you get? So that's it for this MT5 interface. Remember to always turn this guy off to avoid tapping it mistakenly. Yeah. So you can see your trade history whenever you tap on history. I don't think there's any trade here yet. So whenever you tap on history, you can see your trade history right here. So that's it. This is where you see your balance, your equity. Equity is the balance you have available to take a trade. Even the margin is the margin that your broker or your prop firm gives you that is available for you to trade with. But balance is like your main money, the deposit that you made. So for that FS Pro, for you to be getting 100% bonus, it will be showing your equity, to not show your balance. Your main balance, your main deposit is what will be there, but your equity will show both your deposit and your 100% bonus. Do you understand? So that you don't start panicking. It will be in your equity. Alright, so okay, that's it for this, guys.